Before I lose you, because there is so much stigma about cash advance apps, these 4 are some of the most popular cash advance apps, and we have done extensive research, and we know that these apps are both legit and have some pretty cool features. So today we're gonna have an overview of Brigit, Albert, Dave, and Cleo. So let's get started. First of all, a little bit of an overview about cash advance apps in general. Cash advance apps allow you to qualify for funds almost instantly, and there's also no credit check, no interest, and no late fees. Even if you have a bad credit score, you can still qualify for a loan, an interest-free loan up to $500. Once you qualify, the money appears in your account in as little as 10 minutes, so it's almost instant. And then a lot of these apps that we're about to talk about also have some pretty cool features on how to track and manage your money, as well as offering the cash advance options. Okay, so the first one we're gonna start with, let's go in alphabetical order, shall we, is going to be Albert. So Albert offers up to a $250 cash advance. You can also access these cash advances up to 3 times per pay period. So because of this, Albert offers more frequent access to cash than a lot of the other cash advance apps. Already, it sounds like a pretty good deal. Albert is going to analyze your bank account, and it's going to look for things like if you've kept your account open for more than 2 months, if you have at least 2 direct deposits from the same source, and a positive bank balance so they can make sure that you don't spend your entire paycheck as soon as you receive it. Now, there's no late fees for Albert. However, you have to be careful because if you are 15 days late on your payment, you cannot take another cash advance out for 90 days. So you can be late, but not too late. Now, another feature besides the cash advance is called Genius. Think of the Apple Store Genius bar, except for your money. You can ask real people for help with things like tracking your spending, checking your credit score, strategies for paying off debt, and also how to stick to a budget. They offer a 30-day free trial, and all you have to do is literally just text them your questions and they'll send you personalized advice. All right, next up in the lineup is Brigit. Now, Brigit can lend you up to $250 almost instantly with no credit checks, no late fees, no interest, and no tips. Brigit will also come with tools to help you track your account balance and spending habits, and also help you pay your bills on time. And there's a pretty cool feature with Brigit to avoid overdraft fees. You can set up Brigit to automatically send you cash advances as your account is reaching 0, so you can avoid those overdraft fees. Okay, number 3 is Cleo. Cleo is one of the most fun financial apps you will find. It is hilarious. She uses jokes, memes, and puns while she is monitoring your finances to kind of give a fun spin on cash advances. And you might be, as they say, laughing all the way to the bank. Okay, I did a whole video full of puns. I'm not gonna do it again. But she does give you personalized money advice, so you might want to also pay attention to that and not just the funny jokes and memes. Cleo can also send you up to $250 like the app Brigit, and you can still qualify even if your credit is kind of not that great, so that's good. When I tested her out, the money landed in my bank account in less than a few minutes, so it was super fast. And then there were also really flexible repayment options too, which I really appreciated. And like most of the other cash advance apps, there is also no late fee. And last but not least, an oldie but a goodie, is the app Dave. Dave has been around for a long time. It's one of the most well-known cash advance apps. You can get up to $500 in minutes, and I know this because we have personally tested it. However, when you're first starting out, you're probably only going to qualify for a lower amount and not the full 500. There's no credit check, but your bank account does need to have at least 3 recurring deposits of $1,000. And those deposits also need to happen during the past month. A really cool feature about Dave is that it also helps you find side hustles to make more money instead of just continuously taking out cash advance apps. It can help you find things like seasonal work or part-time jobs, or also things like surveys where you can fill them out and earn money. I thought this was a super cool feature, and I also like the fact that it is trying to help you find your own thing, your own way of making money, so you're not consistently reliant on cash advance apps. All right, so now you know a little bit more about my friends, Albert, Dave, Cleo, and Brigit. These 4 apps are reliable cash advance apps and some of the most popular, so if you are thinking about taking out a cash advance, I would definitely check out these 4 options. All right, see you guys next time for the next video.